Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, we're still in Jambi. We got all the visa work done and everything. We're all ready. We got an extra 30 days in Indonesia. So that gives me about another 6.5 weeks before I have to be in Timor, East Timor. Timor-Leste, sorry guys. Keep going with the old name. Today we're going to go and explore a bit around Jambi. There's a lot to see here. Some Buddhist temples, some really nice mosques, a museum and things. So let's go and do it. Yeah, I'm on my way to see this tower. I'll show you that in a little while. So I was just driving past this little village, like a traditional village. I've got no idea what this is, but we saw something like this in Kalimantan, I'm sure, or maybe, anyway, somewhere in Indonesia when we were traveling. We saw something very similar to this, and the whole kind of village built around the lake. Beautiful. And look at the river, guys. Unbelievable. I'm very happy that the river's in the river and not on underneath my feet like it was the other day. I'm going to remember that for the rest of my life, guys, believe me. Okay, guys, this is the Menara Genti Tower. Really very, very impressive, guys. It's very traditional, but it's got an English look with the clock in the top. It's actually got a little museum in there, but I'm not going to go in. But I will go for a little walk up the tower as far as I can and show you up there. Well, there's a guy back there with in a little office watching my jacket, my helmet. That's pretty good. Yes, guys, so pretty popular with kids, obviously, because there's kids everywhere. But let's wander up these steps and see what there is to see. Now I know what it is. This bridge is pretty famous as well. That was another thing on my list to go and see. And I'm not going to cross it completely, but we will go far enough to see the I love Jambi sign. We'll wander back. Oh, lovely cool day today as well, guys. A bit warm in the jacket, but at least it's not 40 degrees. Janet was just telling me this morning that it is about 30. It was 36 degrees at 8:30 this morning back in Perth. So I'm lucky to be here. Well, even if it was 5 degrees in Perth, or even if it was 25 and perfect, I'm still lucky to be here. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, guys, look at this river. Amazing. And that's the sign we were coming to see. Oh, all the photos I've seen of this are it's painted. So they must be renovating it or something, because it's been sanded right back to aluminium. But that is the Jambi Kota Seberang sign. Probably to let the people coming up the river know where they are. Anyway, guys, let's go and jump back on the bike. Oh, look at the tower from this direction. Very impressive. And we can't go up the tower. Yeah, see the clock at the top? See what I mean about it? A very English sort of influence on that, because that is a very English thing to do. Also to have the clock a couple of minutes fast, so no one's ever late for their train. So just on my way to the next stop, found this little fun park, a little skate park here, all the little boats for rent. Got a climbing walls here, actually quite a few little climbing walls. Yeah, it's really quite well set up. Amazing. And the tower's just at the other side of the river over here. It's the river where we just were is just over there. But let's head off. I think the next stop is a mosque. And another climbing wall, guys. Must be a popular sport here. And as usual in the Muslim world, there's mosques everywhere, but this is the main one. And this really is a beautiful building. The Masjid Agung Al-Falah Kota. Just beautiful, guys. And the bronze pylons in there, you can see the bronze uprights. That's something to do with the pillars of Muhammad. So if I know I've got quite a few Muslim followers, if you guys could explain in the comments, because I've got a fair idea what it is, but I don't want to insult anyone by getting it wrong. But I do know that there's a certain number of pillars of Muhammad, and I think that's what they represent. Just amazing, guys. The big drum here, stained glass, just really a beautiful building. And here's the tower from the other side of the river. This lovely park here. This is it had a big write-up in the Google, this park, but it doesn't seem to be very well looked after. But at its time, it was a very, very popular place for families to visit. And guys, this is the museum Sigynji. Let's go in and have a look. So I just spent 30 cents on a ticket to get in, guys. 20 cents US, just unbelievable. This is our lovely guide here that's showing me around, included in that 30 cents. I can't believe it. All the Sumatran tigers, and oh, this one, this looks like a leopard. Unbelievable, guys. But anyway, I'm going to put the camera off because our guide suddenly stopped talking when I turned it on. Well, guys, this one here is called a binturong. It looks just like a Tasmanian devil. It's amazing how very similar they are. Oh, and there's parts of Indonesia have a dog that looks just like a dingo. So there must have been we must have been one country at some stage. So guys, at the beginning of the video I talked about Buddhist temples. Well, it turns out it's about an hour and a half out of the city, maybe an hour if I rode hard, but I decided not to go. But this whole section of the museum's on that temple, and all 4 people here are my tour guides. For 30 cents I got 4 tour guides. Amazing. 20 cents US. My regulars know quite often I won't bother going into museums and things, but I'm really glad I went into that one. When I asked how much, they put up 3 fingers, so I figured 30,000, which is $2 US. He said, no, 3,000, so 20 cents US. And you saw, guys, I got 4 guides. Well, really it was 2 guides and 2 trainees, but just amazing. Really, really, I'm very, very happy I went into this museum. When I first arrived in Medan, I told you guys I'd let you know what Indoset was like. Well, it's working fine. I've had no problems with data or anything, but the Indoset app is only in Indonesian. You can't get it in English, and no one can work out how to put my phone number into it so it registers my phone. So at least I can see how much data and stuff I've got left. It's very, very annoying not knowing how much I've got. No way to check, but I'll put up with this until the month's up, 28 days is up, and then I will go to Telkomsel. I should have just stuck with Telkomsel. Telkomsel's an amazing company. The app's really easy to work. It's really easy to get into English. In fact, I'm pretty sure the Telkomsel app, when it opens, it says, do you want English or Indonesian? And guys, this is the Taman Budaya. I was expecting a bit more than this, but it's the local entertainment centre I've found out since I got here. I thought there'd be more to see, but it's just where they have their local concert hall and things. But it's pretty well set up, guys. Nice little spot. Oh, it's hot, guys. Well, humid. It's not hot, it's humid though, especially wearing all my riding gear. Well guys, this is the Tugu Juang, which is the war memorial. It's closed. I couldn't work out why, but now I can see why. They're doing something for news program or something up here, so all the gates are shut. But this is a really popular park for families and things, and it represents all the wars that the Malay people, because this was part of Peninsular Malaysia traditionally. So Eastern Malaysia, so Sabah and Sarawak were different, but this is, the locals here are Malay. I said to the girl, because the girl was talking about the local indigenous, the jungle people, and I said, oh, it's your family. She said, oh, no. So, yeah, she was very insistent that she was Malay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go off to the next place. I think that's the last one, the last one on my list. Not sure what it is just yet. But, yeah, it's good timing, because I think by the look of this clouds, the afternoon tropical storms are going to kick in, so I'll be getting back to my hotel just in time. I was feeling a bit hungry. Oh, he's good. No, he's bonus. I was feeling a bit hungry, so I've stopped off here. Let's see what I'm going to get for my lunch. Well, I'm not 100% sure what this is, but I think it's shredded chicken with noodles. It looks really good. Hello! Homemade noodles by the looks. Yummy. And this is the Caras Monument. This was built to commemorate the new city of Jambi. It's Sagunjai must be the old name for the city, I think, but don't quote me on that. But it is a very important, because the museum, that was the name of the museum, that's the name of the monument. But yeah, this is to celebrate the new city of Jambi. And I'm pretty sure I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.